High standards in a relationship don't make you a high maintenance, difficult woman. Not that anything is wrong with high maintenance if your partner enjoys maintaining you. But we often have negative perceptions of this label. Many women, especially those who are anxious love seekers, are afraid to communicate their expectations, needs, or boundaries. They often worry that men will not appreciate them enough to meet their high standards in a relationship. Then, when they see women whose partners show them a great deal of dedication and effort, many think that there is some mystical reason why these men are in love. They just find themselves feeling that they themselves aren't that lucky. I'd say enough of that self-doubt. Now, would you like to know what do these lucky in love women do? No luck involved here, believe me. I'll tell you what helps them be successful, but let me introduce myself first. I'm Dalila Jusik-Laberge and I help high-achieving women transition from anxious love seekers to secure, empowered love creators so they can enjoy dating quality men that are ready for commitment. If you're tired of emotionally detached men who keep you waiting and wondering, follow me, like and subscribe if you want to receive more posts like this. Share this with your friends. Let's empower women to create secure love. Now, let's see what secure love creators do differently instead of sitting and wondering if they're too much, not enough, or thinking that their standards are too high. Secure love creators just figure out what it is that they want in life, what kind of partner they want, and they simply go after it. Secure love creators aren't afraid to communicate these desires, needs, or boundaries. They ultimately know that they can't be happy with someone who doesn't want the same things in life or someone who doesn't respect their boundaries. They don't waste their energy trying to convince men that they are worthy. When men meet these kinds of women, they fall in love and they often don't know why. What I observe is that secure love creators actually make these men feel secure. They know what to expect and they feel that there is a great sense of integrity. This is why I say that women who have high standards and are not afraid to express them are low maintenance. Men don't need to guess, they know what to expect. Moreover, they feel honored that a woman with such high standards finds them attractive. It inspires them to be their best selves. And I hope that secure love and human interactions will become a norm one day. Our mission should be to encourage each other to have high expectations for ourselves. Let's teach the world how to treat us. What do you think? Do you want to continue feeling like you don't deserve love and a secure relationship? Or are you ready to figure out what it is that you want and stand up for it? This may be hard for so many because we are not used to it. This is exactly what I teach my clients. Know and love yourself is the first step of my Secure Love Creator method. Once you make some progress in this first step, your communication becomes so much easier. No need to argue endlessly. Women who go through this program love how easier their communication becomes. I would also love to hear that you promise that you will honor yourself and stand up for your values, needs, and boundaries. Only this way you can find a partner that is right for you. Let me know down below if you're in. If you want to learn more, follow me and share this with your friends who need to hear this. Join my Secure Love Creator Club. The link is in the bio or down below. Subscribe, click the bell to know when I release new videos.